So for today's, we'll be talking about what is version control, about the introduction to Git, how you can install Git, what are the commands we use in Git, what are the uses of those commands, why we should use those commands for Git, how it is helpful for us. We'll be also talking about working with remote repository and the local repository, and with Git merging, branching, Git rebase, stash, and other commands. Okay, before going further with the PPT, let me tell about a little bit about the version control and the things. So basically, until now, if you guys are working on any of you are a developer, and what you do that you basically uh, write your code and you deploy it on the production server, on the test server, wherever you want, or on your development server. Basically, firstly, you write your code in your local, you do your testing there or in your some local server which is being provided by your company, and then you start working on that. And for going ahead, you do the deployment and the testing and these environments. But these kind of things, when you come to the company and when on the same project multiple developers work, it really causes issue, and it's very difficult to manage the things, that how you are going to manage your code. Because if there are three developers and three developers are working on the same code with the different functionalities, so one is working on some feature one, another one is on feature two, and the third one is on feature three. So in that case, what you face is that you get that, okay, there are issues related to the when you do all the code, like you merge together, so you get lot of conflicts, you get lot of other kind of issues related to deployment. And also, to overcome all these challenges and all these things, we have a version control, where version control basically helps you to maintain the version of each and every code, so that you can roll back to the previous version, so that you can maintain the code created by different developers. There are every developer can create their own repository, and at the end you can merge all the code together without any issues. Now we have a lot of different version control systems. We have a lot of different um, the source control systems, but among which the popular one is the Git, where lot of people do check in and check out from the Git their code every day, and is being widely used in the industry. We have some SVN also. SVN also works in the similar manner, but there are quite lot of advantages of using Git, and also it's a widely used and a popular one in the industry. So we are going ahead with the Git itself, and in the industry, Git will be only used. And whatever commands we will be using, all those commands will be only used in your real corporate industry whenever you are going to work further with the Gits. Nothing else apart from that you will see any other commands. In this session for entire Git, we will be working entirely with the command line. Command line means that we will be writing some commands, and that will be giving us the output, whereas you will not see any UI or anything in the entire session for the Git. So be ready to work with the commands, and you be ready to see the black screen. So probably for some time you can say that your life could be like a black and white environment, but it would be in a similar fashion. Now, there are a lot of advantages of using command line, because that is the best way to learn anything from UI. Anyone can learn and anyone can do, but if you really don't know the command, you are not a good developer. For a good developer, you should have a good understanding of the commands, and you should know and that's how you get to know that how the things work in backend for any kind of environment. And command lines are more powerful than UI, because UI takes a little more time to load the things and to work on that, whereas command, it gives you the output at very in few milliseconds itself. Now, source control is helpful for you to maintain the history of your code, to maintain the version of your code. If you want to do any backup or something, you can take the backup. It acts as a backup also for your codes. You can compare your codes, and it's the most important part is that it helps you to maintain the collaboration between your teams. So it helps you to maintain the collaborative environment, the teamwork environment, or teamwork spirit in your team. Also, you cannot blame anyone when you are using Git that, oh, you have made the changes in this code and because of your code we got this issue, or he blames to you that because of I got this issue. So there is no blame game, like that blame game is being completely avoided, and there is a no blame game kind of scenario when you use with Git.